with you.
Hey, you came back. That's good. Hey, that's real good. Hey, today, Mama Shra got me in the kitchen cooking potato skins, right? Now, truth be told, I do enjoy potato skins. I like them. So, I made them 3 ways, okay? And I'm going to show you how I do it. I made one pizza style. I made one traditional with cheddar cheese and bacon with a little bit of chive on it. Then I made one, more so for Mama Shra. She likes mozzarella, so it has mozzarella and bacon bits and green onions. Look at this. This is what we're doing, right? I know you can't hardly see it, right? But look at the thumbnail. I know you saw it already. They're delicious. I'm gonna have some of this traditional one. Yeah. Tender. Fluffy in the middle, yet crispy on the outside. Cheesy. I like that bacon. The sour cream good. Chive. Check this out. I know you're going to enjoy it, and I hope you make it. Yeah. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. We have our 6 russet potatoes here. I've washed them. Now I'm going to take a fork, right, and we're just going to poke them, right, all around them. And what that's going to do, that's going to allow the steam to come out when it's cooking, okay? Be careful when you're poking this, not to stab yourself. Is there a set number of times to poke it? No, there's not. But just make sure you try to hit, every turn, at least 3-4 times. Every time you turn the potato. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. We'll be basting our potatoes about the halfway point. And here I have about 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now you can absolutely use butter. Add some salt to it, to taste. You know me, I'm using kosher salt. And we're going to add some black pepper. Now any other seasonings you want to add, you can. And again, all these are just to taste. You want to add garlic? Hey, add garlic. Onion powder? Hey, grated onion, you can add that too. Just mixed up. And this is going to sit and be happy till we're ready for it. We're going to be cooking this or roasting the potatoes twice, okay? So we're going to start off 450 degrees and we're going to cook it for about 25 minutes, okay? Then after that, you need to be careful because it's going to be hot. Even though 25 minutes, it's going to be hot. Take them out. We're going to put our basting solution on it, the oil or butter if you want to use, salt and pepper, and we're going to put it on the potatoes, right? Turn them over. Baste them, and then we're going to put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Now at that time they should be ready, and then we can continue to the next step, which will be letting them cool down, and then we'll hollow them out. In they go, in the center, 450 degree oven. Oh yeah. See you little darlings? Come on, Tweet. See you little darlings in about 25 minutes. Alright, it's time to baste these bad boys and turn them over. Yeah. Like that. No, they're not done, they're just halfway cooked. Just baste them. With our olive oil solution here, if you're using butter, this is the time you do it. And this is going to help give it a nice crispy skin above everything else. It's going to help out with the crispiness. Okay, let's turn these guys over so we can get the other sides. Now let's baste this side. It may already look based because, you know, the liquid runs down, but you still want to hit it again, you know, just to be safe. Alright, get this back. Now we're going to give this 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and check for doneness. Check these guys for softness. There. Yeah, I'd say probably about another 2 minutes. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take them out now, because what we're going to do, we're going to let them rest. So let me pull these guys out right now. And they'll keep cooking as they rest. We're going to let these guys cool down for at least about 40 minutes or so, right? So it'll be nice cool to the touch, or cooler to the touch. And then we're going to hollow them out, and then we're going to fill them with the goodies. And then we'll do one quick bake on them, and then we'll be good to go. What we're going to do now, we have our potatoes here. We're going to take a knife, we're going to cut them long ways, okay? Right? Make sure you have a nice sharp knife, okay? We're going to take our spoon, and we're just going to carefully hollow out. See how tender that is? We're going to put that in the bowl. And you're looking for roughly about, roughly a quarter of an inch from the skin. Okay, you don't want to break the skin, okay? You just want to nicely cut it through. Take your time. See that? That's what you want. Put that one back on the tray, and now let's do this side. Okay? Just carefully cut around. And just kind of dig it out, because the flesh is soft. Okay? If you cooked it or you roasted the potatoes like I explained, they're going to be good to go. So I'm going to go through and do the rest of these, and then we'll be back. For our filling, we have some sour cream, okay, that we'll put on at the end. We have some mini pepperonis, okay. We have some scallions, green onions. We have some chives, okay. We have our bacon here. I cooked it up and chopped it up. We have mozzarella. We have cheddar cheese, and we have tomato sauce. And of course, we have our hollowed out potato skins, okay. So let's start filling these bad boys up. We're making 4 types. So the first type we're going to do is just your classic, right? So we're going to put a little bit of cheddar cheese here, right? Cheddar cheese. A little bit of cheddar cheese. Now you can put as much cheese in this as you like. It's up to you. You like more, add more. You like less, add less. Okay? Put the bacon bits on it. I love bacon. I mean, who doesn't, right? Put those on it. and just a tad bit more cheese on top, because as it melts, you know it's going to reduce, right? It's going to melt into your potato cups. Yep. Exactly, put a little bit more bacon right there, so there we go. Cheese on top. The next one, mozzarella. You know, Mama Shra, she loves mozzarella. So, I'm going to give it to her. Okay. And here we have our bacon again. Now she's a pretty big fan of bacon, so I'm not going to cheat her on it. Because if I did, I wouldn't hear the end of it. Okay. A little more mozzarella on top just to hold the bacon. Now this last one, the last set is a little different. We're going to put tomato sauce in it. Okay. And I've heated this tomato sauce up. It's been heated up. So let's spread that in there. Spread it around. Now we're going to add mozzarella to that. Okay. You may need to get more mozzarella, and I probably will. I am. So now we're going to add our mini pepperonis to this, right? Add a little mini pepperoni. Now let me get some more mozzarella. We add mozzarella back to this on top of the pepperoni here. Especially this guy here. There we go. And we're going to add more pepperoni on top of that. Right? Add more pepperoni on top so it looks nice and good. There we go. Let's load them up. Why not? One more for you. Alright, now let's put these in the oven. And these are going into a 350-degree oven, center rack, for about 10 minutes. We're just trying to melt the cheese. See you in 10. Okay, your cheese is melted. Let's get these bad boys out of here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Let's plate them up. Let's do it. So what we're going to do now, on the traditional one, we're going to add a little bit of sour cream to it. A little sour cream. It's going to be glorious. And we're gonna add a little bit of chives. A little bit of chives. Oh yeah. And then Mama Shra's mozzarella one. I'm gonna put some green onions on it. She doesn't do, as you guys already know, she doesn't do straight sour cream, so we're not doing that. And then the pizza one we're gonna leave alone. So let's see what we got. So yeah, this is what we got. So we have here first off, we got the pizza one, right? We have the mozzarella, and then we have the traditional, okay? It's a real simple recipe. If you like this, try it out. Tell me what you think, right? If you haven't joined the Peanut Gallery, hey, hit subscribe. Join the Peanut Gallery. We appreciate it. We're all family, right? And if you can, hey, share this out. You know, let people know about me. See what we're working with, okay? Also, go to Instagram. Hit me up on Instagram, right? Shrashira on Instagram. Look for the gray cat, okay? And I will most likely, 9 times out of 10, 99% of the time, I'll let you know what I got coming up next. That being said, this Shra, I'm out. Because clearly, I'm about to throw down.